Hello, this is Daniel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the final URL. So the final URL is the URL you're using on a landing page. If you set up a Google campaign, if you set up a Google Ads campaign, you have to define a landing page, because when users click on an ad, they need to get onto a landing page. So what can happen is that your landing page URL changes somehow. If that happens, all your ads are going to be disapproved. And this is when you might have to change the landing page URL. And I'm now in my account and I'm going to show you exactly where you can do it. So you might assume that you are changing the landing page URL under landing pages, but actually it's under keywords. So the first thing I'm doing is I click on keywords and then I'm clicking on search keywords. Now we are on the keywords level, and I'm looking out for a column here that is called final URL. And this is where you can enter or also change a final URL. I'm clicking here on the icon, on the pencil icon, and click on edit. So here I could add HTTPS. I can add any kind of domain, so website.com. That would be the final URL. If I save, now I defined a new final URL. If you have a final URL in here already, you can change it and then adjust it. So this is how you are changing the final URL. And sometimes if your ads are disapproved, you might have to create entirely new ads, because sometimes it just doesn't allow you to change the final URL, or you don't see any changes after doing it. Create new ads and they will be approved again. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Bye bye.